Question number 21. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to a raised to the power of x plus b, where a and b are constants and a is greater than 0. In the xy plane, the graph of y is equal to f of x has a y-intercept at 0, negative 25 and passes through the point 2, 23. What is the value of a plus b? So this is a function f of x, and in fact it has like two constants a and b, and they want us to figure them out and add them up. A plus b is what is the value they want. Now to figure it out, the other thing, however, what they have provided is two sets of input and output. So when the input is 0, or in other words when x is 0, the f of x is negative 25. Another input and output, x is equal to 2 and the output f of x is equal to 23. This is also provided. So if we plug it in, probably we can get the value of both a and b. So let's start off with the first input and output. F of x, which is negative 25, is equal to a raised to the power of 0 plus b. Now we know that anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 1 plus b is equal to negative 25. Or in other words, to get the value of b, all I have to do now is subtract 1 on both sides. That way, I will get b to be equal to negative 26. So now I know one of the constants in the function which we didn't know earlier. I know that b is equal to negative 26. So which means now my function f of x is equal to a raised to the power of x minus 26. Now at least I know the b. Now I can use the other input and output and use that to calculate a. So this time 23 is equal to a raised to the power of 2 minus 26. And we can add 26 to both sides to get the value of a squared first. So add 26 to both sides, you will get 23 plus 26. 6 plus 3 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 49 is equal to a squared. Now to get the value of a, we will take the square root on both sides. So a will be equal to plus or minus square root of 49, and that is equal to plus or minus 7. But if you observe the question, they want us to take that value of a which is greater than 7. So even though we get a to be both plus or minus 7, we will choose the positive 7. Now let us calculate the a plus b. B was negative 26. So finally we will have to go with a plus b, which is nothing but plus 7 minus 26. And that is equal to nothing but negative 19. So the value of a plus b, what you have to grid in is negative 19, which is our final answer.